When the stock market crashes, most people panic and sell everything, locking in their losses. But for young investors, a crash is actually the biggest financial opportunity you will ever see. Your survival guide has 3 essential steps. Step 1. Do nothing, literally. Do not sell a single share and ignore the noise, because you are a long-term investor and those paper losses are only temporary. Step 2. Keep your day job, because your ability to earn cash is your most valuable asset during a downturn, and you need that stable income for the next step. Step 3, and this is the most important, accelerate your buying. A crash means everything is on sale, so if you have the cash, double down on your high-quality, diversified index funds. Remember, stock prices are temporary, but business profits are long-term, and history proves that every single market crash has been followed by a recovery and new all-time highs. Use the crash to dramatically lower your average cost and supercharge your eventual wealth. Ready to turn panic into profit? Hit that follow button for more simple investing truths.